What's happening, Vegas? This is the new 8,000 square foot In-N-Out Burger, folks. This is it right on the Las Vegas Strip. It is very big in here, very busy. This is what it looks like though. The Boulevard right here, folks. Let's go check out In-N-Out Burger. In-N-Out Burger. Here it is, folks. Las Vegas just got one of the biggest In-N-Out burgers in the world, and it comes with a rooftop patio overlooking the Strip, folks. Here it is. Around 70 employees were hired for opening, with starting pay around $18.25. This is it right here. In-N-Out is popping, and you got how you doing, and there's not a single person in this whole establishment right there. How sad. They need to start serving burgers, folks, because In-N-Out is absolutely bumping. This place seats about 220 guests, 170 indoor, and 50 on the patio. The building includes the chain's iconic crossed palm trees, classic yellow arrow, and neon signs, giving it a signature California look in the middle of the Strip. Look at all these people. They're just flowing up and down these escalators. They just don't stop. Let's walk over here, see a little bit of the view. The view is very nice, especially in the front over there. But look at all these people just hovering around. It's a very windy day here in Vegas. The wind is bumping, but you got people all over the place, flowing up these elevators to come eat some burgers. But I like it. I like it. I do wish How You Doin' had a little bit more business, but In-N-Out Burger has a cult following. They really do. People love this place. The prices are really good too, man. It's like $8 for a burger and fries and a water. I mean, you just can't beat it. If you're staying at the Aria, walk over, get you some In-N-Out Burger, folks. Here's some of the old history here at In-N-Out Burger on the Las Vegas Strip, folks. Some cool signs. I like the way these signs look. Eat your burger.
Stay like that. We'll feel